In this video, we'll show you how to take a photo and use the other features in the Camera app on your Pixel phone. To get to your camera, press your Pixel's power button twice, or open your Camera app. Your Pixel phone has a rear-facing camera to take pictures of what's in front of you, and a front-facing camera to take selfies. To switch between your rear-facing and front-facing cameras, tap the Switch Camera button on the left. By tapping on different zoom levels, you can quickly change the zoom with both your rear-facing and front-facing cameras, or hold and swipe to access a slider for more precise zoom control. If you're using a Pixel 7 Pro, your camera will start stabilizing and tracking when you are highly zoomed in. To focus on a subject, tap on it. To take a photo, tap the Capture button, or press the volume up or down button on the side of your device. To take a photo in portrait mode, tap Portrait in the bottom menu. Then tap the Capture button. In portrait mode, your camera takes a photo with the background blurred. With the Pixel 7 Pro, you can use macro focus to take detailed close-up photos. Move close to the subject and watch as details come into focus. You'll see that the focus ring appears with the macro icon, letting you know that you are in macro focus. The Night Sight feature can help you take photos when it's dark, like group photos at night or photos of the night sky. Night Sight takes a longer exposure photo over a few seconds, allowing you to get a photo even without ideal lighting. If your camera automatically detects a dark environment, the Night Sight icon will appear in the center of the Capture button. Hold the phone very still. Tap Capture. Don't move your phone until the photo is taken. Another feature of your Pixel's camera is motion mode. Under this menu, you'll find two options: Action Pan and Long Exposure. Long exposure adds a blur to moving subjects in your viewfinder. Hold your camera still to capture the movement with this feature. Pictures you take will be added to your camera roll. To get to your camera roll, on the bottom right, tap the small preview of your last photo. Or from your home screen, open your Photos app. From your camera roll, you can make edits to your photos and share with friends and family. Now you know how to take a photo and use the other features in your Camera app. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.